Hey guys, it's me again, and I'm gonna be doing a different gameplay. And yeah, so I'm gonna be doing a gameplay of Sonic 3. And so let me know down in the comments if you want me to do more of that. And I know some of you are gonna be asking, well, Sonic looks different. That is because of a little thing called hacks. Why am I using hacks? Because for one, they're fun instead of playing the original. And for one, it's because it actually has a lot more difference into it. I'm gonna skip getting the chaos symbols because, for one, I know how stupid it could be. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go get one. And I really do not care. Yeah, and don't expect me to be good at this game. I'm being dead serious. The special stages aren't this easy. And now we should be finishing this up. And with that being said, we got the first Chaos Emerald. And so yeah, I've been familiar with this game already. Like I've seen Kobanemani play this game before. And for one, the game was actually amazing. I was never expecting to have this game to be real amazing. But, like always, Sonic 3 has always been able to find really good mods on this game. And now we get the second Chaos Emerald. And so, yes, this one really gives me like a seizure warning because of the freaking colors messing with my eyes. Also, let me know down in the comments below, what was your first Sonic game that you had ever played? It can be like any. And if you don't have a favorite Sonic game growing up, then name the first game you got growing up. kind of don't remember playing this when I was younger, but I already knew where all of the emerald rings could be. Like you could, if they had the opportunity to get all the emeralds in one stage, it would have been much more easier. And I'm saying it could be much more easier. You could get the emerald in the first five stage. Nearly checked myself up. And I screwed myself up again. I'm gonna try something new this time. I'm gonna play Sonic Boom. The greatest thing about this game is Sonic is much more faster and a lot more has a lot more moves. But sometimes he moves too quick. But the one thing I did not like was the boss fight in this game. But like, this is like modern Sonic all over again. Only modern Sonic wasn't as fast. Let me know down in the comments below which kind of Sonic is your favorite. It can be Archie Sonic, Classic Sonic, Dreamcast Sonic, any kind. There might be a possibility that the Sonic movie could be moved until next year, which was terrible because everyone was so criticism and they decided to like not want him to be in the movie at all. Yep, I messed myself up. Yeah, sorry if I'm staying quiet. I'm just trying to concentrate. Because usually I don't want to talk and end up screwing myself. Like I did a bunch of times. Yep, this is the boss fight. And with that being said, that is it. That is gonna do it for this Let's Play. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and if you did enjoy it, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And also let me know what was the first Sonic game or any other game you got. So yeah, see ya.